Hi, in this video we will learn most important VBA code which helps us to remove duplicates from our data. So let's start. This is our data. Here we have different supplier names, but some rows have duplicate values like this vending. So and that can make our calculations wrong in some cases. So in this case we have to remove duplicates from this data. First of all, we have to click on developer and then view code, which is our VBA editor. So let's start writing our code. First start naming of our macro. Always use your macro name so that you can easily recognize it from different macros you already wrote. So give it a meaningful name like remove duplicates. rng as range set this workbook dot you can use range rng.RemoveDuplicates columns equal to 1 header equal to x. Yes. So just press F5 or this run command. It will remove duplicates from here. So press it. There is an error. It is remove duplicates. All gone. So using this little VBA code, you can remove duplicates from your data. So please do like this video and